So now we're not writing anything. So now let us try to run this bot. Okay. So I'm just let us see here. So it does not have any folders under the autopilot. I'm just running them from here. Okay. Okay. So there is some problem, conversion problem. So basically, it's like a double. Okay. It's like a double, but it is not. Again, go to here. So it is showing errors. It's like I saw on a double to string. Let us try. Okay. Value dot to string. So not here. Okay. So it's not here. Let us do one thing. Okay. Okay. So in this whole class session, just try to understand the features of the autopilot, not like a so running whether it's running or not. Okay. So you can fix these things and all. Okay. That's not a problem. Okay. It is unable to. So what is it is in string convert cannot convert the double. So it's not converting into the double. Okay. So from the double. Okay, basically. So let us try to change this one to the double as it is in double. Let's try to run. Okay. So instead of that, so let us try to create here itself. Let me remove this one. So let me remove this one. Okay, and let me remove this one also. Okay, so here, so let's try to auto fix. Basically, it is giving the double quotes here. So, but our column name may contain spaces. So let's see, it had a space. Okay, so what we can do, we can just simply use the space here. So let's run. Let's see. So what it has only one file. Okay, so no errors. It's created the folders. Okay. It's created the folders. Okay. So now, so in the between. Okay, so for example, okay, in between. Uh, uh, I'm just taking the sequence here. See sequence here. In the between, I want to create a small logic using the autopilot only. So generate the autopilot. See, if school code from the current row is starts with one, do not create folder. So a small thing I wrote and just click on the generate. So in the between, so while you are writing a small logic you want. Okay, so let's create. Okay, so while creating, yeah. So what will happen? It's automatically this logic automatically it does. So current row of this one is starts with 0. If it is not, then only it is creating. Sorry, it's creating the folder. Okay, it's creating the folder. Okay. Now you can just move or delete this one. Okay. Or let us see. Uh, Instead of this, just drag and drop here. What is the issue? You can help in the chart also. So you can help in the chart, okay, see if you want. So maybe let's check the folders. Yeah, here is a folder. So that's why I think. Okay. Okay. So let us run. So how many folders we have? So 31. Just imagine. Let's remove this one. So what is the other folders? So totally we have a 30 folders. Okay. 30 items are selected. You can see here. Okay. 30 items within this. So you can have the folders like it starts with one. One. See here. So this number starts with a few are having the one. Okay. So what I'm just doing is I'm just deleting. So 30 folders out of that, we ask the condition where it is where it create a folders only when the school code is not starts with a one. Okay. So then what it will just do, so that logic also, the if condition, within that, if there is condition also, we didn't write, okay, autopilot written automatically based on the prompt. So see here how many? So 29. So if you just remove this one, so 28 only. So you don't find any folders starts with the one. Okay, so that type of conditions also like that. So you can write all the code based on the logic. And also one more thing. For example, if you want to, this is a default name of the activity. Okay. So if you want to change the name of the activity, so you have to give the proper naming conventions, right? So you can click on here. So this is one more suggestion, summarize activity. So that is another beauty feature of the autopilot. Okay. So what it will do, it is summarized and give the proper name. Okay. If you want to give the something like a create folder, create, click on this one. Automatically it will summarize and it's creating the folder at the specific path. Got it? So you can click on this one. Okay. Summarizing the activity and give the proper name. Okay, so this is also one more summarizing this.